This is the beginning of the scratch build that I've been talking about. You can see I have some pipe. This is 1.5 inch PVC. I went to our local Habitat for Humanity store here in town and got enough. I got all these pieces for 98 cents. So just needs to be wiped down a little bit, get some dust off of it. And of course cut into, I'm gonna make them about 7 inches tall. Should be about that, about right there tall. Um, I got enough pieces to make 5 silos on each side, so 10 total. That's what I wanted. It's going to be a little bit different than the prototype, which I'll show you coming up in this video. And I'll talk about that for a minute, where it's going to be on the layout. But this is the start of it. This will be video number 1, just telling you what I'm going to do. I've got to get some supplies still, some Plastistruct stuff, definitely evergreen stuff. I think when you see the the videos, you'll understand some of the details that are going to go into this build. So it's going to be a fun build. It's going to take me a while, I'm not going to lie. I'll let you know what I'm doing, and I'll catch you in the updates. Thanks. There you go, guys, in Farmer City here. Just a cool look here at the mural. Very cool. IC line is still here on the other side of town. It crossed the old Peoria and Eastern, and there's a look at their 2 stations that were here in town. Very cool mural. So I'll get back to the elevator and show you guys what my scratch build is going to be. Pardon the wind here, guys, but here's the look on the back side of this. This thing is monstrous. Go all the way up to the top. I'm going to take a few pictures of this. This part right here could just be an office. I do like this vent here. This is a very cool detail, which I'm going to put in my build. Could be truck serviced as well, like this one is, but honestly, this is rail serviced on my layout. So this little part here I probably won't do, but I will do those details right there. Maybe not the chutes, but the piping there and the vents. The pipes there, that'll definitely be part of it. Great look here. Track used to cross here. You can still see over there. Focus in a little bit. Probably hear my music. Over there used to be a little bit of a yard for the Peoria and Eastern, later Penn Central, and later, of course, Conrail came through here and serviced this. And I'll show you the other side here where it is serviced. So stay tuned. Guys, there's another old elevator there. This track is still in pretty good shape, just has not been ran on in years. I don't think it connects to the IC down there at all. There's another older elevator here, but you come back and look here, and you can see the detail in this. You can really see this loading system for the railroad, and you can still see that little yard there. I'm walking here through this brush. That I'm going to put in on 1 track, maybe 2. I have not decided yet, but I love the detail in this building. So this is going to be my scratch build. I'll try to get a view over on the other side, a little bit more of the top, but this is what I'm going to base my prototype on. Definitely going to be a very cool build. Kind of see up here from the distance on the other side the detail in that elevator up on top. I like the conveyor up there. It's very cool. And of course you got your little access to the top up there. So there's a big detail I got to put on this scratch build using Plastistruct and stuff like that. But that'll be in the video. But guys, that was a look at what I'm going to use as my prototype. Probably won't weather it like this, but I'll talk a little bit more about that when I get into it. So I thought you guys liked to see that. Thanks. Okay, guys. This part, this all may move up or down depending on where this goes, but right here is where it's going to go. Like I said, there'll be 5 of these on each side. Should, if I measured right, bring it to right about here, probably just to the end of this GP9 that's sitting there. This, I originally planned to use the paper. I'm going to use this as a template. This will work as a template. This should be just about the right size. Not an issue. It'll be back here a little bit more. There will be an elevator between this. Actually, this will be about here. It'll be a little bit more on top, just like the prototype I'm going to show that is in the video. So this is where it's going to go. Then one track will be for empties. Maybe both tracks will be for loading. I have not decided yet. This will be built on the same styrene that's used in here for the platform. There's a few things in here I'm going to use, like probably for the loading apparatus that they used. This probably the same I-beams and stuff I might use to replicate that. I'm definitely going to use these little tabs down here Vinny used on the bottom to put the stanchions and stuff that this thing's going to have in it. And then I'm also going to, so that way it'll glue better down to that strip of styrene, or the styrene that it's sitting on. And then I'll run the track over the top of it like it is here in the engine house. But so that's the start. Stay tuned and I will show you the actual prototype.